Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here. So nice to see everybody. We have finally moved. Things have been busy. I have been working every day, which I should not have done that because I have not been able to unpack hardly anything. By the time I get home, I'm exhausted. But I wanted to come on to do some videos because I'm finally starting to do some unpacking because I don't work every day now. I'm taking time off for the holidays. And I want to talk some Epicure for you guys because we have some amazing things for the month of December. So first though, I want to show you guys my favorite, I guess, promo that we are having. So check this out, you guys. So this is a full thing here. So a full gift box, pretty much, of 24 dinners in total. So that's 24 meal packs. Each one serves 4+ people, plus there's some surprises in there. So they haven't actually told us some of the surprises. And then there are 4 lists, 1 per week, to make your shopping at the store so much easier. So yes, this looks like a tiny box. I get it, but it's huge. And there's 24 meal packs in there, you guys. So think chili, creamy chowder, Thai food. They have all kinds of things. The most amazing thing, for only $85 Canadian and $80 US, you save a ton of money because remember, per serving, per person, you're spending about $2. Is that not inexpensive or what? Amazing, right? If you eat out as a family, oh my gosh, it's a lot of money. Even me and Tom, me and my husband, when we eat out and try to save money by not getting appetizers, not getting anything alcoholic, just a normal meal, we're spending at least $45. It's usually a lot more than that, but that's us like maybe ordering a pizza, right? So think $2 a person for these meals. This is a must-have, and it's perfect for somebody who you want to get something nice for, but they're really hard to buy for. So check this out, you guys. I'm telling you, this is a must-have. Okay, so another must-have. So this is, if you are a host, our peppermint matcha brownies. Peppermint matcha brownies, you guys. Do these not look amazing? Seriously. Only $10 for a pack of 2. Yum. They are so good. You have to have them. I make any of my cakes, brownies, anything in our steamer. You have to do it. It's so much quicker. It might take you 8 minutes at the most. You will love it. Another must-have. This one is very, very smart because Christmas time, anywhere you go, you usually have to bring something. And it's no fun to think, okay, I'm just going to bring the same thing as last year. I'll just bring a pie or a cake or cookies. Everybody brings pie, cakes, and cookies, right? So do something different. Do something amazing. This is only $22.50 for all of these, normally $45. We had these last year, and oh my God, you guys, they're so good. I'm telling you, they're so good. You want plenty of them. So this is only $22.50 if you spend $75 or more. Trust me, it's a must-have. Even if you don't use them all for the holidays, New Year's, whatever, you want them because $22.50 versus $45. Trust me, why not have them, right? It's such a good idea. And our vault list. We are getting a new catalog in January, which means some of our amazing products will be discontinued every single year, you guys. So I've been selling Epicure for about 3 years now. Every year I have customers literally coming to me a day afterwards and say, oh, I forgot to order. Can I have this, this, and this, and this? And I say, well, we have a new catalog now. You can't order that because they were seasonal. So pay attention. Make sure to order what you want before they're gone. Okay, so check these out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon.